Hey, Dan here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. And this is under my health and fitness. I'm doing another video here on KACHAVA. I decided that I was trying to make an easy way just to have a freaking bottle I can take with me. They recommend 2 scoops to 12 ounces. So I decided, well, I've got a bunch of these sport drink bottles kicking around, and so I decided, well, hey, I'm gonna fill those with KACHAVA and do the and throw them into the freezer. These are 12 ounce. These are 12 ounce bottles. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. The 2 of them. I'm gonna do two bottles. Oh, yeah. That's all right. Measure it out in 12 ounce containers. We got 3 bottles here. Now, this is purified water out of my Tyant machine. That's 3. All right, that should be good. That's three containers right there. And my good old scoop. So I want 4. 1. I need a bigger tap funnel here. So I got 3 in there. I need 6 scoops in here. Keep this shaking up so it doesn't stick to the sides of the container. Good. Okay, so 4. Cover back on. Mix it up again so it's not sticking the side of your container. Freaking scoop and a half. Got a nice sealable bag. Take it with you wherever you want. When you're going camping or whatever. Throw it in your backpack, you got it all the time. Interesting, huh? Almost there. This was 3. This was 3 containers. I take the stuff when I do my DoorDashing, drink it all day. Keeps me going. Nice thick texture to it. So you could throw it in the blender with ice. See my other concoction, my tropical fruit. Now we'll go ahead and transfer it into these 12 ounce containers. I don't fill it all the way up because then I throw it right in the freezer, and then it'll freeze up, and then take it with you. Take it with you on the road, and then it's thawing out. You're drinking it as you're drinking it. All right. Black covers. Like I said, go ahead and throw them in the freezer, and then they'll freeze up just like ice cream, and then take them with you. So, all right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Look down in the description. There's a link for $15 off your purchase. And we'll catch you on the next Danny Crosby's vlogs under health and fitness.